We are homework now on the mountain. And what? Why not tree? See how Cracket to me, we say, why not tree, Cassa Anne, and no 100 train, no, who to farm me, boy. Huh? See there, what is a soil profile? Also, one no. If you come back, not come. Just common soil profile. You can do it. This will be assistant one side.
I can do it.
If you can do, why can't you do it? But right now, you wait for me to come before you do it. What is a soil profile?
Actual weight.
I didn't go.
You say, the kind. But you are not supposed to bring something inside.
What am I not supposed to bring?
I know you can bring it, but this one.
Yeah. So Suban say yeah, and on Yama say any minimum Subano. I don't think as a may bound one man person about who. I can bring a Namava and Naman and make one when the better match today.
Teacher say, what is Chimos?
Which Jones are not reading. What is
I want to make a man?
What is a soil proofer? Me say what is a soil proofer? And homework assignment from the man. So no can and why can I mention them?
What
is a soil proofer?
What is soil proofer? Soil proofer is a cross-sectional view.
So different so. Also you minim that is my bay. Also different so.
Let me slow down. Soil proofer. Soil proofer. It is a cross-sectional view of a soil.
What's waiting?
Betty.
What's waiting? Meaning, soil proofer is not a cross section that. If any teacher tell you that soil proofer is a cross section,
you are totally wrong.
I'm totally wrong.
Yes.
For which reason? Let me give you my explanation of a soil proofer. The best explanation when you go to Google or when you go to
go on. Google open cross-sectional view.
Cross-sectional view of Google that when Google the soil proofer when it comes to the Google explanation. Soil proofer is the soil
proofer. I was subject being. Soil proofer. Subject being a wood. Subject.
Another
being a wood.
In English.
What
to a giant amateur. Soil proofer, Ninya Brofo. So what kind of brofinim? Let me give you my explanation for soil proofer.
Okay, go on.
Soil proofer is a soil that have a proofer and a proofer picture.
Hey.
Let me hear you.
Thank you.
Give me the types of soil proofer.
What types of soil proofer?
The type of soil.
Types of soil.
Yeah.
Types of soil. Types of soil proofer.
Types of soil. You know when I say this types of soil proofer.
Yeah, what types of soil proofer?
Sure, media. Say me cannot be just about to me out. Man, can't type of soil proofer. I see any type of soil proofer.
Yeah.
Now if you didn't what can you do to the type of soil proofer? Give me types of soil proofer.
I should give you what?
Types of soil proofer.
They were parent rock.
And a sedimentary rock. And I'm what?
Hey,
sedimentary rock can count. Sedimentary rock can count. Huh?
Yes, our topsoil. Yes, our.
And a day.
Your bedrock. Hey.
Can you know that? Can you know? What is you? Can you know? What can you know?
Means what I watch
your parent rock.
Yeah, my kind of what's that winning? What's that winning?
Coming, can't me. Yeah, was sedimentary.
Hey,
Your top soil. And your bed rocks. Me boy. Me boy. Oh, one day. Give me the types of soil as in general, soil in general. Give me the 2 types of soil.
Give me 2 types of soil. There were 4, but 4 in the ground. There were like a dozen types of soil in a dozen.
It will not have a teacher in your day. Send a wound him that. Huh?
Clearly soil, sandy soil, loamy soil, and silt soil. See how cover soil.
To one I will tell me, my dear, and I made my dear. I didn't know they may catch on one fair moon, not done. Say, oh, so I know could eat free bed, minimum of free. Now what the banner was I be all by better me, my dear, me boy.
Yes.
Huh?
As long as I would be a wild bomb,
yeah, oh, yeah, a crab, I can't make it, idea. Give me different, be free to warm me by and go to. And I found a soda hospital. When yet, you man. What I saw down here, you know, some Saprina will pray, and I mean, and I said, well, we are go to Baku say. And I'm more jaded, we are not waiting to make a catch. One catches there 4 types of soil.
There were 4 types.
Huh? What 10 is a type of soil?
And your 4 cried toss. But that time just yes, I never put him not. Because of spelling with the baby.
That's it. Maybe, haha. I'm also going to then, but we want it. Racket 21, pele, minimum. Famine.
See the budget.
About is one real one transfer. You can't always say. What you?
What you?
Spend money. I think I saw a mayor na. Me mistake in a quasi. Hey, no one. Hey.
Wow. Ten your babach. When you
oh yeah. We know.
What's your commas?
What is Amas Acopede? We know if we know. Watching her. The bantam. Miss Row. And your fin, my banafina was said the never take him off. Remember now what's your program? What did I make a joke? Okay. You know what? You be tribute. Why? Send a mine should be as soon as you be TV.
Teacher, you are on. But your classes are. Or couple of. So won't see like one person. Yeah, teacher, not children. Or the trainer started and my test and some. What the book? Not yet. Tree one or become. And can't bro Tree one or become. Men say one or several couple for crowd.
There was our bro from the other yamo. Maybe bro for me, can say, what don't you use your bro now and come bro for. Can't begin again.
Who will take it, say, walk for America. That's a pass a couple for something to me.
Sir, bro from the chat ticket, you know. Yeah, the bro from the chat ticket.
Where's your handkerchief?
Well, I thought it. Why?